a healthy and delicious recipe called cheesy mushroom omelette. So let's get started. First, take a pan and put some oil. When the oil is hot, you have to add jeera powder, salt and pepper. Give a quick mix and add the mushroom. I have cut the mushroom like a sliced one so that it looks beautiful. I love mushroom very much. That's why I'm putting the toppings with the mushroom. Let both the sides get roasted well. Mushroom has lots of nutrients in it. It is very good for your health. Once both the sides are roasted well, take it out from the pan. The roasted mushrooms are giving a beautiful flavor. Now take a bowl and crack 2 eggs. Finally, I have cracked the eggs well. Now to the eggs we have to add salt, jeera powder and pepper. Now whisk it well with a fork or a whisk. To make the omelette even fluffier, we have to add some milk or even water. Milk and egg won't mix together. It creates air bubble inside it. That's why the omelette will be more fluffier. You can add some of the favorite veggies you like. I am adding onions and tomatoes now. You can also add capsicum, carrot, coriander, whatever you like. See how frothy my omelette mixture is. More the bubbles, more fluffier. Now let's make the omelette. Take the same pan and add the butter to it. Once the butter is melted, now add the omelette mixture. Now let's put on the toppings. Now I'm adding some sliced tomatoes and the roasted mushrooms too. Let's cover and cook for a few seconds. The aroma of the mushroom omelette is coming. Now I'm going to add some cheese to it. You can add whatever type cheese you are having. Let's cover and cook for a few minutes until the cheese melts. Now my cheesy mushroom omelette is ready now. Let's serve it and enjoy. Now I'm going to taste my yummy and delicious mushroom omelette. So yummy and delicious. Try it in your home.